Ay, sige po. Wow, pa-follow niya talaga, guys. Please shout out. Hello, mga Kapi Vibes.
Hello mga kapibay.
Thank you. Entrance, guys. So, you should visit there. Hi, mga Kapi Vibes. Hello. I'm here at Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, as you can see. Our vlog for today's video is walking with me here in Dubai Mall. Actually, sobrang layo niya, Karen. From metro station up to Dubai Mall, inside the Dubai up to Dubai Mall, inside the Dubai Mall. It takes time to go inside. So that's all. Please walk with me to find the Dubai Wings. Okay? Let's go. Let's go down, guys. Okay, guys. It's a long walk. I'm hungry, guys. So, let's go to food court. Budget wisely itong pagta-travel natin. So, only one metro station away. So, let's go. Let's go food court, guys. Grabe, nakakapagod maglakad sa Dubai Mall, guys. Ang layo. I'm getting sweat already. Seriously. Yay! Food court. Try ko mamaya mabibig si madam.
Hurt me, staying in place is not my style. Emotions with a clear conscience, living decisively. Even if I turn back, I will smile. I say goodbye. I also don't forget the way I came here, the love you gave. I will smile and say
Then, papuntang Dubai Wings na. So, let's go, guys. I remember this place, guys, because I used to leg work here before. Lagi kami nakatambay ni Jovit before dun sa Tim Hortons coffee shop. Yeah. Because we have side, what do you call this? We had side hustle that time. So, it's around 4:30 p.m. And it's still hot here. Am I doing the right thing, guys? Comment down below. Just. Hi! Hello mga kabibs! Thank you po. Saan po kayo? Taga saan po kayo sa Bulacan?
Jensen.
Jensen, wow.
Mindanao.
Imus
Cavite.
Imus Cavite. So, shout out po.
Hi! Dito kami sa Dubai Mall. Anong follow namin?
Sige po. Len Guevara Telpin po. Aspiring vlogger pa lang po.
Inspiring.
Opo.
Saan ka dito sa Dubai?
Dito po sa Business Bay. Ayan, umiinom po kami ng lemonade. Medyo mainit na po dito, guys. Sa YouTube po.
Ayun.
Opo, meron din po akong TikTok, YouTube, Instagram.
Lumalabas naman yun sa makikita natin yun.
Opo.
Ano nga?
Ay, sige po. Wow, pa-follow niya talaga ako, guys. Thank you po. I-close ko po. Sorry, wow, ang taray ng ano. Thank you po. Sa YouTube na lang. Nagte-TikTok din po ba kayo?
Ako hindi. Ako walang TikTok. Facebook lang, TikTok.
Nood po kayo about dito lang po.
Nanonood lang. May Facebook ba?
Ito po. May Facebook din naman
Alin
po.
to?
Ayan po,
Ito?
subscribe na lang.
Sa Facebook na lang kasi yan ang lagi
Add ako.
Add ako.
Thank you po. Watch po kayo, lalabas po kayo.
Yala! Ay, nakaano ulit ako ng email ko pala dyan.
Sige po. Ayan po. Thank you po kabayan sa pag-support.
Pag mayaman ka, huwag mo kami kalimutan.
Opo, babalikan ko po kayo.
Misis ko po kayo.
Mismo. Ako pa po magre-regalo ng pa-iPhone.
Pro Max, ha?
Oo.
Lalagyan mo ng lemonade dito lang po sa may Burj Khalifa.
po, ma'am. God bless po. Thank you. Hello po. Ayan yung sukli ko pa nakalimutan ko.
Shout out po.
Please shout out. Hello mga kapi vibes.
Hello mga kapiba.
God bless po. Sa YouTube po. Follow sa ano po? Len. Sige po, lagay ko po dyan.
Sige po.
Len Guevara 30. Yan. Nakasubscribe ka na. Thank you so much, Kuya. God bless po. How many kilometers walk before I reach? It's so far away, guys.
Chala.
Thank you, Supposedly, I will hang out with Ma'am Bidisha and Jamaica yesterday, but unfortunately, it's raining outside yesterday, so that's why we postponed by today. So last Thursday, we're planning to go out in Miracle Garden because they told it's for free. Ang ingay ng ibon. Ikaw na kaya mag-vlog? Oo. Ikaw na mag-vlog. Kikikil ako sa'yo eh. There's a lot of things happened and it always postponed. But here I am. I go out by myself. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you like it. And one more thing I wanna add, because my father also asking me, because of what happened nowadays here in UAE for the uncertain situation right now, And they told me, not only my father, also my other cousins, my friends, why I'm not gonna leave this country. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I have wrong grammar, correct me. I'm happy to be corrected. Yeah, that's why I don't want to leave this country, because this country helps me a lot to grow my career, especially right now. I've learned a lot from the company that I'm working right now. And I also learned a lot from this country, how they protect this country, how they defend it so well, how they manage it so calmly despite of the uncertain situations. So, you know what I mean. And I hope you all guys stay healthy, both emotionally, mentally, and physically. And I always believe that this too shall pass, because the greatest soldier received the hardest battle. If you know that motivational line, if you know that line, that's very famous line. You know what I mean. You understand what I mean. And that's why I don't want to leave this country, because it's hard to leave that you already love. And I love this country because it really helps me now to build who I am right now. I have one short story that was last 2023 when I went back in Philippines, because I need to deliver my baby there in Philippines. I remember I always really want to come back here in UAE. And you know what? Every time I saw the airplane in the sky from our country, when I was in our house, sometimes when I'm sitting outside in the balcony of our house, then I saw the airplane coming in the sky. Then I always said like that, I will come back to Dubai. I will go by airplane to come back to Dubai. Of course, instead of gonna fly by I don't have wings. So yeah, I always really want to come back here in UAE. That's for sure. And you know what, before I go back to my home country 2 years ago, I said to myself that I always point out the Burj Khalifa. You see the Burj Khalifa? I always point out that Burj Khalifa, and I told to myself that, oh my god, I don't wanna cry. I told to myself that I will come back. I will come back to see Burj Khalifa. So that's one of my motivational. That's why I really want to come back. You know what? There's something in my heart that I want to finish. There's still something that I didn't finish yet, that I really want to finish that. You know that there's a calling from your heart, and I always believe that that's deep in your soul, that you really want to do it. That's why I'm here now. Yeah, that's all guys. I don't want to cry. I always remember before, I can't believe that I'm here right now here in UAE, because before I thought it's so impossible to come back here, because in our home country we're not that rich, we're not that really average, but I'm still grateful with my parents, because despite of the situations, despite of the, what do you call this, despite of being poor, my parents were so hardworking. They that's why I want to come back here. There's still a goal in my heart that I want to finish here in this special country. And I'm so proud to be here. I'm so proud to be Emirati. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much and see you soon to my next vlog. Thank you. Asa na?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai City. Discover the iconic skyline, the bustling streets, and the vibrant energy that never stops.
So guys, let's go home. Where is the metro station? Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung metro station. Free entrance guys. So you should visit there. Let's go. Oh my gosh! I'm so beautiful during night time. Hindi nakikita yung bakas ng kahapon, guys. So, yun na nga, guys. I'm going home. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I need to edit my vlog, by the way. So, let's go. La, 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 la. Been waiting all the sunshine, but I think I need that back. Ay, bukay. Gago. Nagtawid ang baliw. Feeling ko, ang ganda ko sa part na to. Dito na. Ang ganda ko dito. Dito na lang ako, guys. Charis. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. But here's my number. Ay, ang ganda ko dyan, be. Dyan na lang ako, be. Ah! Chicana! Been waiting on the sunshine, but I think I need that back. And I do it like that. And now you do it like that. So I do. But you take me back. Grabe, ang ganda ng Dubai. Pakita ko sa inyo. Asan na yung metro station? Kaya nakalam ko nasa na yung metro station. Nagugutom na ako. Hi sister, where is the metro station? Straight? Ah, thank you dear. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng Burj Khalifa. Parang panaginip.
Kapi Vibes, please don't forget to ring the bell notification below for more updates.